forests are threatened. David Orr correctly observed minutes. Worldwide, only 20% of the regional tropical forest is left. The deforestation has to be stopped to save the biodiversity and the productivity of the forest as a natural resource. If not, there will be no rainforest left in 2015.
Unlawful cutting of trees has devastating impact on the world's forests. Its effects, including declination of forest resources, which causes loss of biodiversity, instability, and massive erosion of upland soil, serious damage to our river and underground freshwater ecosystem, flood and fueling climate change.
Illegal logging can be separated into three main situations. First in line are activities with pure criminal nature. This includes logging without official permission, timber theft, falsification of documents, usage of violence against local inhabitants, gross law violation by authorities, and corruption. Illegal logging has been identified as one of the major culprits in the Lurch-like disaster, Cagayan de Oro City and Iligan City. About 1,002 people have been confirmed dead, including 650 in Cagayan de Oro and 285 in Iligan City. 208 more remains missing. Last February, Aquino declared an indefinite log ban through EO 23, or Executive Order 23, that disempowered the issuance of permits to any individuals for the cutting of trees all over the country following widespread flooding and landslides in Mindanao, Eastern Visayas, and Bicol regions, where scores of people died and thousands were displaced. Are we blind or are acting like blind? The crime of illegal logging has already destroyed much of the original forest in the Philippines. This rampant illegal logging has afflicted many parts of the country, destroying the livelihood of many Filipinos, threatening biodiversity, and causing environmental hazards. We must oppose all forms of forest destruction and remain vigilant and committed to protect our national patrimony.
The series of landslide and flash flood that hit several parts of the country should serve as a wake-up call for us to join hands in preserving our environment and stepping up reforestation.